Hey, today on Wicked Good Eats, we're going to make a nice Greek delicacy, Greek-style roasted potatoes. We're going to need about 3 pounds of potatoes. I use these nice small ones, or if you get big ones, you can cut them up into smaller sizes. But it's about a good 3 pounds worth. You need some olive oil, some salt, some pepper. You use about a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, a cup of beef broth, about 6 garlic cloves that have been minced up, some fresh ground oregano. If you don't have the fresh ground oregano, you can use dried, and some lemons, or at least a lemon. So we'll get started making the mix. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to add in our 1 cup of beef broth, and then our half a cup of olive oil. Then we're going to squeeze in our lemon juice. I'm going to use a whole lemon worth of juice. And again, this is about 3-4 pounds of potatoes. You can go up or you can go down. Okay, and then we're going to put in our garlic into the bowl, and then we're going to put our oregano. This is fresh oregano I just picked from the garden, so it's about 3 tablespoons worth of chopped up oregano. If you don't have fresh and you're going to use dried oregano, it'd be 3 teaspoons of oregano instead of 3 tablespoons. Okay, and now we're going to add our salt. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of salt, maybe a little under, and then I got my black pepper. Okay, we got all of our ingredients in, the pepper, the salt, the olive oil. We're going to mix this up, the oregano, the garlic, and make sure this gets all coated and incorporated nice. Alright, while I'm doing this, I got the oven preheating at 400 degrees, and we are going to bake these potatoes for 45 minutes, and then we're going to take them out, give them a nice churn, baste them, and do that for another 45 minutes. So every 15 minutes after that. So it takes about an hour and a half. The initial bake, you don't really have to worry about anything. The first 45 minutes. After that, you're going to want to turn them and baste them so they brown up nice and incorporate all the juices. So, alright, I'll show you what that looks like. There's our nice Greek style potatoes. Got a nice pan here to bake them in, so I'm going to put them in there, and then we'll put them in the oven, like I said, 400 degrees for 45 minutes. Alright, so it's been 45 minutes. Oh yeah, you can see those potatoes doing nice. Nice spoon. Turn them, baste them, brown up the next 45 minutes. We'll put that back in. And we're going to set the timer for another 45 minutes. In about 15 more minutes. Oh yeah, we can see those browning up nice now. Nice turn. Okay, we got one more turn. See how they're doing. Oh yeah. God, it smells so good. See how they start to brown up. Nice. And this way they get nice and cooked on the outside and soft on the inside. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. So, oh yeah, these are perfect. That's just what you want. Nice golden brown. Put these up here. Let it cool off a little bit. And we'll see if Wolfgang likes Greek style potatoes. Alright, let's see if Wolfie likes it. You ready? Sit. Stay. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Wolfie likes Greek style potatoes. He's digging it. It's a winner. Let me know how you make out, everybody. Hope you enjoy.